Hey everyone, it's Deborah, and I just wanted to come on and show you something I made that is so stinking cute. I used the new Michaels paper. Oops, sorry about that, guys, that noise. But I used the new Michaels paper warm tapestry. This is the fall collection. It's such a beautiful paper pad, let me tell you. So anyway, I made some cute, well, I think they're cute. I made the hot cocoa pouch from Cutest Craft. I've never made it, but I finally did it, but I didn't make it as a cocoa pouch. I made it as a sock pouch. So these are the cute little socks from Dollar General. I believe, I know Amber from Lyric Lover Crafts pointed these out, and anyway, I thought these were going to be so cute. A friend of mine wanted me to figure out a way to package these socks anyway for her craft booth, and that's what I did. So here is the pouch. I did use magnets, little tiny magnets that I purchased off from Amazon to for the closure, and they're just super simple. They fit in here perfectly. Of course, a hot cocoa pouch would fit in here perfectly as well. With a hot cocoa pouch, you would have to put the acetate. With this, you don't have to, because you want to feel the socks to see, what they feel like and everything. You want people to be able to feel those. But anyway, look how cute this is. This is the first one I made. That Michaels paper, I think it's perfect for this. The burgundy colors, and go with the little deer. These deer socks are so cute. But anyway, she is going to add a tea bag and stuff in here that's all packaged in with the socks, and it'll be like a cozy pack. But this was easy to put together for sure. There's a lot of pieces to it. But it was easy for the most part. I'm going to try to put one together with hot glue instead of glue and tape, and see if that's even easier. But anyway, that's the first one I made. And then here's the second one. Look at these socks. You got pumpkin pie, a coffee with whipped cream, and the leaves. I mean, these socks they're only $1 at Dollar General. Look how cute they are. They're the long ones. I don't wear long socks, but they're super cute. Super cute. And they just fit in there perfectly. I mean, it's not just for hot cocoa. I mean, I haven't even made it with hot cocoa in it. So you can tell right here that my tape didn't stick like it's supposed to. Rub that again and see if that'll help it. But I'm thinking I will definitely try to put it together with hot glue. If this is a tutorial, if you have this die, the hot cocoa pouch, and the add-on is this portion right here, and the words, I did not cut out the words, but the add-on to this is that. But if you have it and you want me to do a tutorial, let me know, comment below. It is a little tricky to put together, I'll tell you that. I mean, but I have some tips for it on how to, but I do want to try it with a hot glue, with a fine tip hot glue gun, and see how that works. Okay, and here's the third one that I made. That paper that, I guess it's houndstooth. How cute is that? But those socks are so cute, and I tried to match the paper to the socks, and I think I did a pretty okay job on it. But you could add so much more to this. I just didn't, want to decorate it or anything right now, because I'm not sure what she wants with it. But I can tell you that I used 110-pound cardstock for the base. For the base of this. Excuse me, guys. Hold on. My husband took off my glue gun and that holds down my camera. Sorry about that. I'm gonna have to put something over there to weigh it down. Oh, there we go again. Sorry about that, guys. He takes my glue gun and uses it, and anyway, that's what weighs down my stand. Oh well. Oh, I need to give him the glue gun and find something else. But anyway, you could do hot cocoa, you could do tea packs in here. You of course want to go ahead and put the acetate on the window. But anyway, if you want me to do a tutorial, let me know. If you have this die, please comment below that I have this die. Please do a tutorial, and I'll be glad to do it. This one almost got it together. You can see right there, there's some gaps. I am going to try it with hot glue and see if that works even better, because hot glue would be easy. I ended up using the tape to put it together, tape and glue. Let me see, that tear and tape, this stuff right here. I used this with this glue, and it was a little too wet and it wasn't staying together. But once I quit using that glue and just used the tape, it stayed together, but I don't think it's strong enough to keep it together. That's the only problem. So I think I'm going to try hot glue. I'm going to cut one out and try hot glue and see if that works, and I'll let you know. But comment below if you'd like a tutorial. Also comment below, what would you use something like this, and how would you package hot cocoa or socks like this? And I love these. I think they're cute. I think they're super cute. And I'm going, as soon as I figure out how she wants them decorated, I'm going to do that. And maybe I will post a picture of these decorated on the community page. I won't do another video, but I'll post it on the community page of the YouTube channel. Anyway, let me know what you think. Talk to you later. Bye.